Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Axeroni in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. To begin, we're gonna draw the center of the blade first. So we're just gonna draw a small circle, and then from that one, just draw a bigger circle. So just go around it. Okay, so that's gonna be the center, and then from here we're gonna draw in the little handle for it. So we're gonna come straight out. Just draw that this kind of angle and just kind of flare it out a little bit. Okay, and then from here we're gonna add in the little details in there. I'm gonna draw in two lines like this, and then just kind of close it off with a slight curve. Alright, so now we're gonna draw in the blade itself. So the blade's gonna be around here, so you can start out this way, and this is the hard part because you have to draw a circle. And if you like, you can use some kind of drawing aid or anything to help you. So this is gonna be the middle. So we're just gonna go all the way around, and I'll add in just a couple of these little dents on the blade. Maybe one up here too. Okay, so that's the blade itself, and then for the detail on the blade, just draw another circle because there's gonna be areas where it's not as sharp. So this one's easier. We're just gonna go around it, and this side in here is actually see-through, right? So we can just kind of finish that off. All right, so after that, let's draw in the little cover on the outside. So this one's easier, right? We can just kind of close it off with the same kind of curve, and then we just kind of extend it. So just follow this curve, extend it out, and then now we're gonna go up a little bit, just kind of push it out a little bit, and then we're gonna finish up the arc. And the easier way to do that is you can actually draw a bigger arc right here first in the center, and then from here you just kind of connect that. So just kind of pinch it in because it's a little bit smaller on the tip. Alright, and then for the details, just add in another line. Alright, so we're almost done. This one is very easy. So here's the handle. So from this line here, just try to start from there and just kind of curve it down. And just kind of level it off. And then we're going to continue this one, so it's going to be thicker. And then it's gonna just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then on the tip, it's just gonna be a little, kind of like a bulbous area. And then we're gonna add in a little hole in here. And that is it for this Axeroni. It's a very simple thing to draw, so hope you guys like it. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.